All right, so we want to create a purchase order against a line item on a job. So in this example, we have the Division 1 general requirements, and we have a $150,000 budget for equipment. I'm going to click Add to Job, select Purchase Order. In this example, I'm going to choose Sunbelt Rentals. Pick my transaction date. We're going to choose a product. In this case, I'm going to pick General Requirements. And this is going to pre-fill all of the subsequent fields. I'm going to change this to Equipment Rental per month. I'm going to change the cost type to Equipment Cost. And this is a 6-month rental. So we'll choose months as the unit of measure. I'm going to change this dollar value to $25,000 to match my $150,000 line item. We're going to have this delivered January 1st. You could add notes. Now we click Save. And if you go to the Commitments tab, you'll see that there is a $150,000 draft purchase order. And we can preview it. This is what your vendor would receive and sign off on. And once it's accepted, when we go back to the budget, you'll see there's now a $150,000 commitment for the equipment's portion or the cost type of this cost code. In the next video, I'll show you how to bill against your purchase orders. Thank you.